Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamba gani to all of you. Welcome to today's session, and as you all know, today is your circle. Today's topic is circles, and in the last topic I have done theorems related to circles, and I have told you कि बेटा वो theorems को वापस revise कर देना एक बार, है ना? So I hope all of you have gone through the proof of all the theorems, because in this chapter the proof of the theorems are very important. Okay. Now, other than that, there are some more theorems which are related to arc. So, especially two theorems we are going to do today, and there is one special case in those theorems, so that also we are going to look today as well. And then there is one more topic left, that is cyclic quadrilateral, which we are going to do in the next topic, है ना? So by this way the theorems will be completed. So let us start the class now. Okay, so first of all, as you all know that whatever problems you are facing till now in your coaching or in your school is all solved. Now there will be no doubts, no wandering for notes, regular test, exams preparation also will be done. So everything will be done at Vedantu. Other than that, you will get unlimited live classes, all micro and crash courses. That means all the crash courses as well as the micro courses. That is your chapter wise specific courses. Performance reports and personalized attention will be given to each and every one of you. So for doing that, you need to visit this link vdnt.in/ytpro. You go to this link once, you can select your grade 9, है ना? Then select your target कि CBSE 2021 is your target. Then click on this get subscription, है ना? उस पे गए तो देखो you have three choices. 1 month है, 3 months है, 6 months है. Okay, three choices you have. Now out of these three choices, suppose if I choose 1 month. So first it will show the price as 2699. Apply the coupon code. Here enter coupon code is written na, apply GP Pro, है ना? GP Pro लगाओ and you will get the discount and it will become 2294. ठीक है? तो देखो 1 month per month, if you are taking 1 month price, it is around 2294. If you take the course for 3 months, it is 5949 after applying the code, है ना? नहीं लगाओगे तो it will be 6999, but after applying the code it is 5949. And then for 6 months if you will choosing, so after applying the code GP Pro, code is same for all, the price per month is this. तो देखो इतने कम प्राइस में the best thing is that if you are taking the course for more number of months, तो your price per month is less, and I suggest कि यार 6 months वाला course लेना is more beneficial, so that your academic year will be covered in और तुम लोग अच्छे से prepare कर पाओगे. Okay, so that is the best part over here. Apply the coupon code GP Pro and welcome to Vedantu's platform. ठीक है? तो this is the link. Again, I am telling you, this link is also available in the description of this video, and the coupon code is GP Pro. Got it? So let us start the class. As you all know, today we'll be discussing the theorems related to arc of a circle. Okay. Now, before I move ahead, as you all know that Vedantu is having a master class with master talk with achievers. So in that, this time the guest is Vidya Balan, and she will be coming and sharing her thoughts with you. So you can visit the link here. Okay, this is the link vdnt.in/genius. Okay, genius, right? So the class is on 31st July at 7 p.m. ठीक है? So don't forget to check that out. Got it? Now let's start the class. तो भैया पहले देख लेते हैं theorem. What is the theorem says? That the angle subtended by an arc at the center, is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. क्या कह रहा है बेटा? That suppose you have a circle. Suppose if you have a circle, तो कोई भी एक arc choose कर लो, arc or chord, anything. Okay, you can say a chord, choose a chord, or every chord will form an arc at the circle. Obvious, right? So now, if I suppose choose this chord, and I know this chord will subtend some angle at the center. This chord will subtend some angle at the center, है ना? वो भी fix है. Now, if I see कि सर जी at the back, let's say it is subtending an angle at the circumference also. यहाँ पे भी कोई angle है at the circumference. Let's say it is x degree. So if the chord subtends an angle of x degree at the circumference, it will definitely subtend the angle 2x degree double at the center. If a chord is subtaining an angle of x degree at the circumference, it will be subtaining 2x degree at the center, है ना? तो देखो, if the angle at the circumference you are taking in the major segment, ये major sector में अगर ले रहे हो, if you are taking it in the major sector, so in the major sector, this one is your major sector. By sector I have told you pizza slice, so this is your major sector, है ना? So if I am taking the angle, देखो, the chord's angle with respect to the chord's angle at the center is what? 2x degree. So at the circumference of the major sector will be x. दूसरा part क्या होगा? So भाई suppose the chord is like this. Okay. So now if suppose this time if I take the angle as suppose on this माइनर सेक्टर पे ले रहा हूं, अगर ये एंगल ले रहा हूं बेटा x डिग्री, सो दिस एंगल विल बी 2x डिग्री, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय इट एट द सेंटर. तो देखो, इफ द एंगल एट द सर्कमफ्रेंस आई एम टेकिंग इट द मेजर सेक्टर, एट द मेजर सेक्टर पे अगर मैं ले रहा हूं, इफ आई एम टेकिंग द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस chord एट द मेजर सेक्टर, है ना? Angle of the center is here taken this way. If I am taking the angle at the circumference in the minor sector, तो you have to find out the angle formed by the remaining sector. तो ये 2x डिग्री हो जाएगा. उस तरीके से ये काम चलेगा. So the theorem in easier way is what? That angle subtended by a chord at the center is double of the angle subtended by it at the circumference, है ना? जितना भी angle the chord will be having at the center, it will be double of the angle at the circumference. मतलब कि suppose at the center if the angle is 40 degree, on the circumference it will be 20 degree only. If here it is 100 degree at the center, at circumference it is only 50 degree. And this is one of the most important theorem. This is one of the most important theorem. Okay, तो चलो भाई, let's prove this theorem now. Let us prove this theorem. Okay, so how do you prove this theorem? तो एक बात बताओ बेटा, चलो यार सर, let's prove this theorem. Let's see that what can be done with this theorem. Okay, so what I'll do, I have to draw the diagram once again because बहुत ज़्यादा कचरा बना दिया था मैंने वहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो I will draw the diagram once again. Let's say this is your circle and this is the chord and it is obtaining an angle of here at the center. Okay, and let's say one more angle I have taken here, मान लो यहाँ पे ले लिया. ठीक है, I have taken it over here. Now I have to prove that the angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. ठीक है, तो एक काम करते हैं बेटा, let's do one thing. Let us join this point with the center O, है ना? This is your center O, this is A, this is B, this is C. We have to prove that angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ABC. यही prove करना है अपने को. Angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ABC. Okay. So I have extended this part. इसको extend कर लिया बेटा. Now let us see. If I look at the triangle AOB, है ना? इस triangle में देखूंगा बेटा. If I will look at the triangle AOB, you can clearly see that sir, in triangle AOB, OB is equal to OA because both are radius. OB is equal to OA because both are what? Radius, right? They are radius of the circle. So it is an isosceles triangle. So I can say opposite to AB this angle and opposite to OA this angle. They both must be equal. तो चलो भाई, मान लो ये एंगल x है और ये एंगल भी x है. So I can say angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA. Angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA. Okay, and let's take them as equal to x degrees. X degrees कुछ है. ठीक है. Now come to this part. You can see in triangle OBC also. In triangle OBC also the same thing is following. In triangle OBC also the same thing will follow. कि sir OBC, if I talk about this blue triangle, तो इन दिस ब्लू ट्राइंगल OB is equal to OC. So in triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC because both are radius. So I can say, sir, this angle OCB and angle OBC will be equal. So angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, and let's take them as y degrees. Let us take them as y degrees, y degrees. ठीक है बेटा? Now in both these triangles, let us get the remaining angle. जो third angle जो बच गया ना, let's find out this value. The third angle's value, मतलब इसका. तो the value of angle AOB, I can say, sir, value of angle AOB I can use by angle sum property. I can get by angle sum property. So I can say, sir, in triangle AOB, I can say that, sir, x plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOB we have got as 180 minus 2x degree. ठीक है? And similarly in your triangle OBC, y plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 2y. बहुत इजी है, अभी तक तो देख लो कुछ नथिंग डिफिकल्ट आई हैव डन भाई. आई सॉ ट्राइंगल AOB इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल, तो द एंगल OAB एंड एंगल OBA आई हैव टेकन एज x डिग्री, है ना. देन OBC इज आल्सो एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल बिकॉज बोथ OB एंड OC आर रेडियस, तो एंगल OCB एंड एंगल OBC आई हैव टेकन एज y and y, right? And then I have found out the third angle of both the triangles. So angle AOB I have got as 180 minus 2x, and angle BOC I have got as 180 minus 2y. Now I need to find out the angle AOC. Now my aim is to find out angle AOC. तो एक बात बताओ यार, can you not feel it that, sir, angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle AOC, ये जो तीनों एंगल मिला लो सर अगर, तो it is forming a complete circle that is 360 degrees, है ना. It is forming a complete circle that is 360 degrees. अब देखो आंसर आ जाएगा. Okay, so I can say कि सर angle AOB was equal to 180 minus 2x, तो 180 minus 2x plus angle BOC was 180 minus 2y plus angle AOC, which I don't know, is equal to 360 degrees. So you have got 360, 180 plus 180 is 360, minus 2x minus 2y plus angle AOC is equal to 360 degree. Shift everything over there except angle AOC. So angle AOC is equal to 360 was already here. This 360 will become minus 360 plus 2x plus 2y. Signs will change. But this to this got cancelled. Angle AOC is equal to 2 times of angle x plus y. ठीक है, ये मिल गया. अब बेटा एक बात देखो, इन दिस डायग्राम यू कैन सी एंगल ABC क्या है, एंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई, है ना. एंड आई कैन सी हियर वेरी वेल कि सर एंगल ABC जो होगा सर दैट विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, एंगल x प्लस एंगल y, है ना. तो आई नो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू एंगल ABC, तो आई कैन क्लियरली से सर एंगल AOC इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ एंगल ABC, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू हैव प्रूव्ड दैट the angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. Proof तो बहुत easy है यार. Proof is very important for this theorem, but the theorem is very important. Its proof also can be asked. It has been asked many a times. तो इसको अच्छे से कर लेना. AOB is an isosceles triangle, तो x and x degree. BOC is an isosceles triangle, तो y and y degree. Angles could be different, right? Who says कि angles are also equal? You have to take them different. So angle ABC will be equal to what? X plus y. Then angle AOB and BOC you will get, so you will get 180 minus 2x, 180 minus 2y, and then you will say AOB plus BOC plus AOC overall total is 360 degrees. use करोगे तो angle AOC will be twice of x plus y, and x plus y is angle ABC. तो मिल गया आंसर, खत्म. so easy. ओके, तो बस ऐसा याद रखना. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड मेनी टाइम्स. क्या आता है कि भैया यहाँ पे एग्जाम दे विल गिव यू वन एंगल, this is 70 degree, tell me this angle, what is this angle. तो आई विल से कि सर जी दिस एंगल इज नथिंग बट 70/2 विच इज 35 डिग्री। ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं एकदम सस्ते से, एकदम सिंपल क्वेश्चन। ओके, दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड। नाउ देयर इज वन स्पेशल केस ऑफ दिस, there is a special case of this theorem. What is the special case? It says that angle at the semicircle is always 90 degree, always 90 degree. matlab that if I have a circle, okay, and if I am dividing into two equal parts by drawing a diameter always divides a circle into two equal parts. Now any angle you draw at this semicircle, यहाँ draw कर लो, है ना, तो this angle will be 90 degree, always it will be 90 degree, है ना. This is the theorem, angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. अब कैसे हुआ ये? Same theorem is the theorem given here is the reason here. What I have told, that the angle subtended by a chord at the center. Now diameter is the largest chord, ये अपने को पता है, diameter is the largest chord. Okay, so let us say A, B, C and O. You know that angle AOC is equal to 180 degree, and this is your angle at the center by a chord. Diameter is the largest chord, so in a way it is a chord, right? अब एंगल ABC क्या होगा बेटा? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरम एंगल ABC विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल AOC, है ना. तो इट विल बी इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल 180 डिग्री, दैट मींस इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. बस आ गया डायरेक्ट केस. देखो क्या चाहिए, what else you want. Okay, so in a right and in a semicircle, the any two points you join ना, कोई भी पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर लोगे with the end points of the diameter, it will always give you 90 degree. This is a very important case, बहुत बार काम आता है ना. In higher grades also, that angle at the semicircle will always be 90 degree. तो ये जो एंगल भी हो जाएगा हमेशा 90 होगा, always 90 degree. समझ रहे हो? This easy the proofs are. तो students get confused कि sir there are 11 theorems, 10 theorems, how to do all the proofs. एक बात बताओ यार, proof है कितने easy वो भी तो देखो. The proofs are so easy. Last class I have done all the proofs. They were all just the problem of congruency of triangles, है ना. ऐसे ऐसे हो रहे थे. अब ये वाला जो है that is the proof of angle sum property, है ना. समझ रहे हो? तो the proofs are not that difficult. ठीक है. अब यहां से देखो, the theorem 8 also is related to this part only, that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. कैसे भाई just now I have told that angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference, है ना. तो let's say this is AB and it is making an angle of x degrees at the center. तो एक बात बताओ बेटा, चलो भाई मैंने यहां पे एक एंगल ले लिया, दिस एंगल. सो एंगल एट द सर्कमफ्रेंस विल बी व्हाट? x/2. एंड अगर एक एंगल मैंने यहां ले लिया तो इट इज अगेन हाफ ऑफ x, सो इट इज अगेन x/2, है ना. इफ आई टेक वन मोर एंगल ओवर हियर, सो आई नो इट इज अगेन हाफ ऑफ एंगल x. So again this is x/2, because all these angle at the circumference are half of the angle at the circumference, are half of the angle at the center. All these angles at the circumference are half the angle at the center. So angle at the center by this chord is fixed, है ना. तो all these angles will be equal. तो angles in the same segment are always equal. ये भी बहुत बार यूज होता है. So today's theorems which I am doing it, okay, इसका प्रूफ क्या है यार? सपोज इसको ले लो कि एंगल AC and D, है ना. तो you can say sir angle ACD is equal to half of angle AOB, because angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. ये reason लिख देना है. And then angle ADB is equal to half of angle AOB, again the same reason. तो from first equation and second equation you can say angle ACD is equal to angle ADB. हो गया काम खत्म. और what else? ACD नहीं है, ACB and ADB. बस what else? Done. Okay, so these are, although the theorems, the proofs are very easy, मगर the use of these two theorems, they are used a lot, है ना. बहुत सारे questions में इनका use होता है. Maximum time there is a chance कि if I am giving you a question of circle, it will be based on this theorem, that angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. बहुत time आता है ऐसा. ठीक है बेटा, चलो. तो now let's look at some questions. Let's you see how will you apply this part. ठीक है, तो ध्यान से सुनना भाई. First thing, In the figure, O is the center of the circle. If APB is 50 degree, find angle AOB and OAB. ठीक है, तो बेटा एक बात बताओ, let's say I have joined AB. ये AB ज्वाइन कर लिया. Angle APB is 50 degree, तो I can clearly say angle AOB will be double of it. Angle AOB will be double of it. So I can say that, sir, angle AOB is equal to 2 times of angle APB. What is the theorem? The theorem is angle at center by a chord is double of angle at circumference. ठीक है. So in exams you have to write this part, है ना, ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा. कोई थ्योरम नंबर मत देखे आ जाना, थ्योरम 1, थ्योरम 2, थ्योरम 3. No need to remember the numbers. Okay, you just write it in the statement form. छोटी फॉर्म में भी लिख दो. Okay, angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference by a chord. ऐसा लिख दो छोटा सा. ठीक है. तो this is how you have to use it, because many students they do this by theorem 7, theorem 8. वो numbers है नहीं, fixed number नहीं है. Okay, तो उस पे ध्यान मत देना. ठीक है. But for now, as I am doing it, तो I will say theorem 7, theorem 8, because बार बार उतना लिखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. तो theorem 7 is angle subtended at the center is double of the angle subtended at the center is double of the angle at the circumference, and theorem 8 is angles in the same segment are equal. ठीक है भैया. तो angle AOB I got to know is 2 times of 50 degree. तो angle AOB क्या मिल गया बेटा? We got it as 100 degree. ठीक है सर. What is the next angle they are asking? AOB I have got. Now they are asking me, सर फाइंड आउट एंगल OAB. तो OAB मतलब ये एंगल भी बताओ. ठीक है सर, दिस एंगल इज 100 डिग्री. ऑल्सो द सेकेंड थिंग, आई नो दैट OA एंड OB आर इक्वल. रेडियस, बोथ आर रेडियस, राइट? सो बाय दिस OAB इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल. तो एंगल A एंड एंगल B बोथ विल बी इक्वल एंगल्स, लेट्स से XX डिग्रीज, है ना? तो आई कैन से दैट सर इन ट्राइंगल OAB, since OA is equal to OB, because they both are equal to radius, so angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Let's say we have taken it as x degrees. तो अब क्या करना है? एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. तो x क्या हो जाएगा? 40 degree. खत्म. So angle OAB is equal to 40 degree. बताओ, so easy question. What else you want, यार? What else you want? Okay, चलो. Now let's go for the next question. Next question is this: O, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Then prove that angle X is equal to angle Y plus angle Z. Oh हो, बहुत खतरनाक क्वेश्चन दे दिया यहाँ पे. Okay, angle X is equal to angle Y plus angle Z. So एक बार ध्यान से देखना बेटा, थोड़ा सा ना इन एंगल्स को look at these questions in detail. I want all the students who want to try this question on their own, just pause this video over here and ध्यान से देखो, look at the angles carefully, whatever theorems which we have used and your earlier knowledge of geometry. Using this we have to solve the question. तो first thing बेटा, चलो मैंने AB, I have joined AB. ठीक है, AB join कर लिया. अब एक बात बताओ बेटा, AB is subtending an angle at the center which is X, and the angle at the circumference is what? Angle 3 and angle 4. ऐसा मत बोल देना angle Y. Angle at the circumference is angle 3 and angle 4. देख रहे हो? Angle 3 and angle 4. तो I can say that sir, angle 3 will be x by 2, angle 4 also will be x by 2, है ना? तो I can say sir, angle 3 and angle 4 will be equal because they are angles in the same segment. And the both will be equal to angle 3 and angle 4, both will be equal to x by 2, है ना? Because of theorem 7. Not writing everything this much. Theorem 7 क्या था? Angle at the center is double of the angle at the circumference. ठीक है यार. अब we got to know कि angle 3 and angle 4 is x by 2. Now what is angle y? What is angle y? So you can clearly see that sir, if I want to find out angle y, अगर मेरे को पता करना है that what is angle y, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना, मैं एक करके बताऊंगा, you will get to know. I can say sir, angle y निकालने के लिए I see this thing, what is the part, कि sir this is a triangle, ये एक triangle दिख रहा है, ये देखना, angle 3, ये angle 1 इसको लेके, can you see this triangle? Okay, so let's just see E F, this point is F. So triangle CAF is a triangle in which Y is your exterior angle. Y is an exterior angle. So I can say कि sir angle Y, I can say that sir angle Y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3, exterior angle theorem. And similarly बेटा ये angle EBF, in this also I can say angle F is again an exterior angle. So angle Y can also be written as angle 2 plus angle 4 because of exterior angle theorem. ठीक है, अब देखो एंगल y एंड एंगल y तो इक्वल ओनली, तो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन 1 and 2 आई कैन से सर एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 4 बिकॉज y एंगल y तो सेम रहेगा. आई ऑलरेडी नो एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 आर x by 2, एंगल 3 एंड एंगल 4 आर इक्वल, तो एंगल 1 प्लस x by 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 2 प्लस x by 2. So this x by 2 and x by 2 will get cancelled. So you got to know that angle 1 and angle 2 are also equal. Angle 1 and angle 2 are also equal. तो you can write angle 1, तो चलो angle 1 and angle 2 को ना बेटा चलो let's take it. तो you can say कि sir angle y I can write as either you can write it as angle 1 plus x by 2 or you can write it as angle 2 plus x, एंगल 2 प्लस x by 2, किसी भी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो एंगल x आई नो will be given here. Angle y I have got in the terms of x. Angle y I have got in the terms of x. Now my aim is to get angle z in terms of x. Now my aim is to get angle z in terms of x. ठीक है, अब angle z how do I get in terms of x? तो कुछ नहीं करना है बेटा, थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना. Now look at this part here. ये ट्राइंगल को देखो, this point I have taken C, E and F है ना. तो look at the triangle ADE. इन ट्राइंगल ADE बेटा अगर ध्यान से देख रहे हो तो दिस एंगल 4 इज एक्टिंग एज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. एंगल 4 इज एक्टिंग एज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल, तो आई कैन से एंगल 4 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल Z बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल थियरम. Also you can say angle Z, अगर मैं दूसरा ट्राइंगल लेता हूं, which triangle now? If I take this angle, है ना, तो ये एंगल 3 जो है बेटा, एंगल 3 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल Z, एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम है ना, सेम थिंग एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. ओके, तो एक बात बताओ बेटा, एंगल 4 आई नो आई हैव टेकन इट, एंगल 4 आई हैव नो इज x by 2. तो x by 2, चलो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को देख रहे हैं, तो x by 2 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 1. आई नो, डू आई नो व्हाट इज एंगल 1? तो यार एंगल 1 तो अपने को वैसे नहीं पता है, ठीक है, चलो बट एंगल 1 वी नो व्हाट इट इज, प्लस एंगल z. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन से एंगल z इज इक्वल टू x by 2 माइनस एंगल 1, ट्रांसपोजिशन करके. ठीक है बेटा, तो नाउ वी नो x क्या है, y in terms of x we know is angle 1 plus x by 2. देख लो, I am showing both the parts because you can do it by angle 2 plus x by 2 also. If you will take angle y as angle 2 plus angle x by 2, तो उस in that case angle z you will take as angle 3 which is x by 2 minus angle 2, बस और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, तो now we know what is angle x, angle y and angle z in terms of x by 2. तो I can say कि चलो sir let's see what is angle y plus angle z equal to. What is angle y plus angle z is equal to. तो एंगल y क्या है बेटा, एंगल y है एंगल 1 प्लस x by 2. ठीक है सर, एंगल y इज एंगल 1 प्लस x by 2. गॉट इट सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज एंगल z? एंगल z इज सर x by 2 माइनस एंगल 1, है ना. तो एक बात बताओ यार, ये तो एंगल 1 प्लस x by 2 प्लस x by 2 माइनस एंगल 1 हो रहा है. एंगल 1 माइनस एंगल 1 गॉट कैंसल्ड, x by 2 प्लस x by 2 इज व्हाट, x ओनली. करेक्ट, तो यू गॉट टू नो दैट एंगल y प्लस एंगल z इज इक्वल टू angle x. Got it? This is how this question can be solved. It was a good question. It was a good question. So how I approach this question कि भाई I knew that I have to prove angle x is equal to angle y plus angle z. So I focused on getting the values of angle y and angle z in terms of x, है ना. तो मेरे को मिल गया कि भाई angle 3 and angle 4 are equal to x by 2. Then I looked at angle y, so I saw that angle y is acting as an exterior angle for triangle ACF. So I know angle y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 3, मतलब angle 1 plus x by 2. Okay, then for angle z I have taken the triangle ADE, and there I saw that angle 4 is equal to angle z plus angle 1. अब angle 4 is equal to what? X by 2. तो z is equal to x by 2 minus angle 1. खत्म. X and y and z value I have got in terms of x. I have added both. I got angle x as my answer. खत्म हो गया question. So it was a nice question, है ना. चलो, let's go for the next question. Next question क्या है बेटा? Next question is this. If O is the center of the circle, find the value of x. ये जो O है, O कहाँ है? O दिया हुआ नहीं है. Okay. O is not given. Find the value of x. X is given here. X although is given here. तो if O is not given, भाई we can make O somewhere, है ना. O बना सकते हैं. चलो भाई, let's say somewhere here we have O. ओके, तो यू नो बेटा कि देखो दिस ट्राइंगल BDC, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल x. ये जो ट्राइंगल BDC है बेटा, इन दिस ट्राइंगल, भाई यू नो वन थिंग. एक बात बताओ, ये O की जरूरत पड़ेगी भी नहीं पड़ेगी, देखते हैं, लेट्स सी. भाई फर्स्ट थिंग, आई डोंट थिंक वी विल रिक्वायर O, है ना. O की तो जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी. Why it will not be required? Because बेटा देखो theorem 8, angles in the same segment are equal. तो अगर ये angle 50 डिग्री है, if I can say angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, obviously angles in the same segment. तो angle BDC also we have got as 50 डिग्री. ठीक है, angle BDC also we have got as 50 डिग्री. अगर ये angle 50 डिग्री है, then this angle is also 50 डिग्री. Angles in the same segment. ठीक है, हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ यू वांटेड टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल x. तो एक बात बताओ यार, ये वाला एंगल 50 है, दिस एंगल इज 70, तो दिस थर्ड एंगल, ये जो एंगल x जो है, ये दिस एंगल x बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. सो इन ट्राइंगल DBC आई कैन से 50 डिग्री प्लस 70 डिग्री प्लस x इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. So 120 plus x is equal to 180 degree. तो x is equal to what? 60 degree. खत्म हो गया question. What else? Okay. So angle x is equal to 60 degree. Very easy यार. ये दो theorems are very easy but very important. बहुत काम आता है यार ये दोनों theorems. Okay. Trust me. Next question. O is the center of the circle. BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Show that AB is equal to AC. अब pause करके, if you want to solve this question on your own, you can pause this question and then move ahead. फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल जो नहीं दिमाग लगा पा रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा नहीं सोच पा रहे हैं, तो एक बार ध्यान से देखना यार. भाई इन दिस फिगर O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल एंड BO इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल ABC. मतलब दैट दिस एंगल ABC इज डिवाइडेड इन टू इक्वल पार्ट्स बाय दिस लाइन BO वेयर O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. शो दैट AB इज इक्वल टू AC. तो एक बात बताओ बेटा, सपोज इफ आई जॉइन दिस AO and OC over here, whenever two lines I have to prove equal, most of the times it is by congruency of the triangles, है ना. तो एक बात बताओ यार, first thing I know OB, AO and OC all are equal to radius. तो I can say sir in triangle AOB, if suppose I can say कि sir OB is equal to OA because both are radius, तो एंगल OBA is equal to एंगल OAB, है ना. तो भाई अगर ये एंगल x है तो दिस एंगल आल्सो विल बी इक्वल टू x, एंड OB was एंगल बाइसेक्टर, so this is again x degree only. So then I will say कि सर in triangle OBC, एंगल OBC is equal to एंगल OCB, and again both will be equal. तो ये दोनों भी x डिग्रीज हो जाएंगे, है ना. y angle AOB, sorry, ABO, and y angle ABO. ABO is equal to angle ABO is equal to angle OBC, because OBC angle ABO and angle OBC are equal to x degrees. Why they are equal? Because BO is angle bisector, है ना, लिख देता हूँ. Although you know it, but you should not forget BO is angle bisector. So all these four angles are equal to each other. अब तो काम हो गया ना यार. Now तो work is done, है ना. तो I know कि सर this angle is x degree, this angle is x degree. Okay, तो एक काम कर सकते हैं कि चलो सर angle B, this angle A, and then side, angle side. तो I can say in both the triangles, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AOB and triangle COB. One thing I know, what do I know beta? कि sir the first thing, angle OBA is equal to angle OBC because both are equal to x degree. Then the next angle, angle OAB is equal to angle OCB because again that is x degree. And at the end AO is equal to OC because they are representing the radius. तो देखो angle side, angle side. तो by angle side rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB. बस काम खत्म, done, finish. Okay, so this is how this question can be solved. Got it? चलो, let's move ahead now. तो sorry. If they are congruent, if these two triangles are congruent by CPCT, you can say AB is equal to AB and AC. I think it is not AB and AC, it is AB is equal to BC होगा. AB is equal to BC. Okay, this is a typo here. This is a typing mistake. It is AB is equal to BC. Okay, AB is equal to BC. This side AB is equal to side BC. बस हो गया by CPCT. Got it? Because this BO is the bisector. That was the main reason. Got it? चलो, next question. In triangle, in this figure, angle ABC is 30 degree. Then angle AOC क्या होगा? अब एक बात बताओ बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा एक सोचना पड़ेगा कि सर ये जो एंगल ABC is given 20 degree, it is the angle at the circumference for which chord? It is the angle at the circumference for chord AC. If I say कि chord AC में the angle at the circumference is given as 20 degree and this angle AOC is the angle of this chord at the center, so directly angle at the center, angle AOC is twice of angle at the circumference, twice of angle ABC. तो मतलब क्या हो गया, angle AOC is equal to 2 times of 20 degree which is 40 degree. खत्म यार, इसमें तो कुछ था ही नहीं. Correct, there was nothing in this question. बस तो ये देखो, I am telling you once again, question of circles are very easy, theorems are small, questions are easy. तो ज़्यादा theorems को देख के डरना मत. एक बार theorems, go through the proofs of the theorems. If you have not gone it, go through the session 1. I have done all the theorems with their proof. उनको करो ध्यान से, समझ में आ जाएगा. Then these two theorems and keep all these theorems in your mind. और जो भी दिमाग लगता है लगा लो. समझ लो, logic you have to apply. Okay, so this will be the answer is 40 degree. खत्म यार, what else? Okay, now this question I am giving you as your homework. In this I have asked कि भाई angle AOB is given as 90 degree. Okay, angle at the center by the chord AB is 90 degree and angle ABC, ये जो angle जो है ना, इतना सा angle ABC, this angle I have given as 30 degree. Find out the value of angle CAO. ये पूरा angle you have to tell me. CAO. This angle you need to tell me. ठीक है? So this is your homework question. Note it down and do not forget to let me know your answer in the comment section. है ना? वो भूलना मत. ठीक है बेटा? तो this is all. Take a screenshot and let me know what should be your answer and let me know that you have solved this question and tell me the answer in the comment section. ठीक है बेटा? तो again I have told you, जाओ लिंक पे 9 सेलेक्ट करो, 2021 सेलेक्ट करो और आ जाओ यहाँ पे अप्लाई. डोंट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई द कूपन कोड GP Pro, है ना? दिस इज रिटन ओवर हियर, GP Pro. ठीक है? 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, एनीथिंग यू वांट is desirable to you, but I suggest कि 6 months is the best part. यहाँ पे 3 months का भी ले सकते हो. Got it? So thank you so much यार. ये देख लो लिंक यहाँ पे है, although the link is given in your description box as well. कूपन कोड मत भूलना GP Pro, ठीक है बेटा। सो दिस इज ऑल, आई होप सबको मजा आया होगा सेशन में, इजी था, आई डू अंडरस्टैंड द सेशन वाज इजी, तो मजा आया होगा, है ना। द नेक्स्ट सेशन अगेन वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज योर साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल। So cyclic quadrilaterals proof is also very important, so that also we are going to do, and we'll be solving some problems of the cyclic quadrilateral as well. Okay, so thank you so much once again for attending the session. देखो भाई लाइक करना मत भूलना इस वीडियो को, है ना, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो, तो whoever watches it please like the video if you have liked the content and share the video with your friends यार, बहुत सारे बच्चे आने हैं अभी तक तो, है ना, we want all the students here to visit once and subscribe to this channel if you are new here for the first time. So thank you so much, I'll see you soon, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz. Okay, chalo, bye bye.